You think somebody is watching you. You think someone will rescue you. You think that someday the right moment will come. That's the lie that wastes people alive. Nobody's coming to save you. Not your job. Not your ex. Not your parents. Not the system. Not the right moment. If you wait for rescue, you will die waiting. This is not cold, this is truth. Truth is a medicine, bitter at first, powerful forever. Where focus goes, energy flows, said Tony Robbins. If you stop waiting for a savior, your energy starts moving you. Every day you imagine eyes on you. At the cafe, at the meeting, on the street, you think the world is watching. You hold back because you imagine judgment. You drown your voice because you fear ridicule. Here's the truth the crowd never tells. Most people are not watching you. They're rehearsing their own lines. They're fighting quiet wars you will never see. You worry about a single outfit, a single message, a single failure, while 1,000 other strangers never notice. They forget, they scroll, they move on. But you remember every single time you didn't try. You remember the nights you said, "I'll do it later." Those are the wounds that grow into regret. The trouble is, you think you have time, said Seneca. Think of that when you binge another hour. Think of that when you close your notebook. Think of that when you let your dreams sit in the dark. You clean your body every morning. You brush your teeth. You iron your shirt. You sharpen appearance because the world can see it. But the soul, the inside, you ignore. Envy sits there. Resentment sits there. Small betrayals. Silent lies. You feed it with comparison and distraction until it's heavy as a stone. The only person who will follow you to the grave is your soul. The only account that matters when the lights go out is the one inside you. Clean that place with as much care as you clean your face. Start with honesty, admit the poison, forgive the small enemies inside you, make space for gratitude every morning. 3 things, name them, write them, feel them, do this daily. Protect this ritual like training. You become what you believe. If your inside is pure, you will move differently. If your inside is heavy, you will always hide. When you finally understand nobody cares, everything changes. Not because they're cruel, because they're human. That realization is a gift. A wrecking ball, a liberation. It means fail loudly, fail quickly, fail forward. It means wear the old shoes, say the thing, start the small business. It means live without waiting for applause. Real warriors embrace the quiet. They train in silence. They rise without applause. Because the life worth building doesn't need permission. Look at J.K. Rowling, rejected, a single mother, writing in cafes until midnight. She shipped her story into the world when nobody was applauding. Colonel Sanders, dozens of rejections before Kentucky Fried Chicken became his story. Kobe Bryant, alone in the gym at 4 a.m., building something when the audience was asleep. These people didn't wait for spectators. They worked for the result. Because results don't ask permission. When you want to succeed as bad as you want to breathe, then you'll be successful. If you want greatness, practice when no one's watching. If you want legacy, live like you'll be tested with no one there to help. Practical the 60-minute block tonight. 60 minutes. No phone. No excuses. One task that moves you forward. Block it, protect it. Do it. Repeat 3 times a week. This is your beginning. If nobody is watching, use it. Use it to create without censorship. Use it to experiment. Use it to grind. Step 1, micro commitments, one small thing, one email, one call, one 500-word draft. Build a rhythm that compounds. Step 2, the brutal honesty check, weekly ask, what did I avoid? What did I lie to myself about? Cut it out. Replace with action. The discomfort habit. Do one thing each day that stretches you. Cold shower. Hard conversation. 20 push-ups. The muscle grows from pain. A friend lost his job at 34. He could have waited. Instead, he taught 3 workshops for 2 months. He learned. He connected. He found his next job from someone he met there. That's the repeatable pattern. These are not tactics for show. They are the architecture of a life that refuses regret. There's one choice you face today. 2 paths, both quiet. One leads to regret. One leads to a life of meaning. Choose the life that you don't have to explain. Choose the life that when your voice is silent, your work speaks. Choose the life that when the world forgets you, you left people better than you found them. Allah, God, whatever name you give to the highest, made you unique for a reason. You are not a clone. You are chosen to carry a story no one else can tell. You have been given time, not as a promise, but as a test. Do this now. Stand up if you can. Close your eyes. Breathe. Make a choice out loud. Say, I will protect my 60 minutes. Say it once. Say it twice. Feel the sound change something inside you. When you decide, the world begins to pivot. Doors you did not see start to open. People show up. Not because they watched you cry, but because you became a person who moves. A person of consistency. You are one decision away from a completely different life. So stop waiting for rescue. Stop asking for applause. Work in silence. For results. For legacy. For the people who will remember how you were when no one else did. If this struck you, don't let it fade. Do not scroll away. Do not disappear into noise. Write that action in the comments. I will read them. I will pin the most honest. You're not alone. But you must act alone first. Subscribe to Fortivus. We don't create content to make you feel good for a minute. We train you to win a lifetime. Like if you felt the truth. Share with one person who needs this. Nobody is coming. Get to work.